More on this, Ven Johnson is with us, president of Ven Johnson Law and expert trial attorney, and he represents some of the victim families and is suing the school district and various employees in a separate civil lawsuit. Sir, thank you for your time. What have your clients shared with you so far about this trial and the testimony that they have seen?
It's heartbreaking, obviously, Marni. Each time this comes up in a different context, my clients are really forced to hear it again, but yet they feel like they haven't had the ability to assimilate and hear all the evidence. So in some ways, it's hurtful. In other ways, it feels a little like that this is what they're supposed to be doing. So just a twisting of emotions for them. And then to hear a mom, because that's what we're currently looking at, the mother not even sharing with the folks in the office on the day of the shooting, even though she sees the drawing of that gun that looks like the Sig Sauer that her husband bought for the shooter just days before, and that she, the mom, went to the shooting range, Marni, just a couple of days before the shooting and shot with the kid, the shooter. So just that they didn't share that with the school and tell them this is what's going on, in conjunction with obviously the school not doing what they should have done and checking the backpack and searching the locker and so forth. It's just a tragic series of horrible events that led to all of this that was preventable.
Is there anything new, Ven, that you have heard in testimony so far as it pertains to the school's responsibility in doing something more? We did hear testimony about teachers raising red flags about drawings and internet searches and saying, I'm going to keep an extra eye on this kid based on what I've seen so far.
Yeah, some of it is newer, I'll put it that way, and we're on a stay for. In other words, we're on an appeal in our civil case, so there's no ongoing discovery. So where we be able to get more documents. So there's a couple of things, Marni, but in terms of earth-shattering things that we didn't hear about, we took over 30-some depositions in our civil cases. So a lot of this we've heard before. We heard how the school defends itself, and again, the focus now is on Jennifer Crumbley, but. Yeah, there's no question that Crumbley's knew, didn't share with the school, and this school was right there. And instead of searching the backpack, or the parents say, let's look at the backpack, right? They're now in the criminal case. The prosecutor's blaming the parents for not searching the backpack. They all never should have given it back to the kid, which we now know contained the Sig Sauer firearm, ammunition, and the 30-some page manifesto, Marni, sadly.
Jennifer Crumbley will likely take the stand. At least that's what her legal team is indicating. How would you cross-examine her as a witness?
Well, it depends on my case, right? I'm not a criminal lawyer, but in this particular setting, of course, the prosecutor, Marquise, is doing a great job. Karen McDonald doing a great job. They are going to light her up, Marni, very candidly. With all the inconsistencies with these text messages the day before the shooting. I'm not mad, just learn how to not get caught. And instead of going to the school, calling the school and say, hey, just so you know, you told me he's looking for bullets today. We just bought a new gun in the house, this Sig Sauer. So maybe he's a little preoccupied with that, but that way the school would at least know, right? Or on the day of the shooting, when you're there at the school and they say your kid needs help, take your kid to the emergency room if you don't know a mental health professional. Get an emergent psychiatric intervention and see what's going on with your kid, who, by the way, with text messages, Marni, we know not even a month before is telling his mom that the house is being ransacked by demons and they're throwing everything on the floor while mom and dad are at the horse barn, not home, taking care of business. So there is so much ample, great cross-examination materials for this prosecutor. I do not see Jennifer Crumbley holding up well.
What does justice look like, Ven, for your clients?
My clients have been so incredibly patient for these slow but judicial processes, right? The shooter first, and then he pleads guilty. And then there's a elongated hearing process because he's a minor, and they went through that. Now it's Jennifer Crumbley. After this case, Marni, which we believe there will be a conviction, then it goes to Mr. Crumbley, which we believe, knowing the evidence, there will be a conviction. And then likely then it turns over to the civil cases. We have a civil case in state court in the Michigan Court of Appeals, and we have a civil case in federal court in the United States District Court of Appeals. So it's going to be one step at a time, but my clients, rest assured, will not rest until every single person and entity is held responsible for what was a 100% preventable shooting in this school.
It has been such a tragedy, and I know how painful it is for each and every one of your clients. Please give them our best as this process moves forward. Ven Johnson, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.